Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, hi, hello, my name is Brianna, also known as BFD Post, and for those who aren't, thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a wig install featuring Luvmehair. I don't want to talk too much in this introduction, so I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. So I wanted to share a bit of the customization process before I started installing. So here I'm just showing you guys what's inside my box, which is a wig cap and this makeup bag full of little hair essentials. They also sent me some instructions on how to take care of the hair. In the makeup bag, they had bobby pins, earrings, a headband, and an edge brush. And this is what she looks like straight up the bag. And I'm gonna be honest, I unboxed this package earlier, and I thought I was getting played. I thought I was getting punked because initially it looked like some church lady wig. It looked like this shake and go your grandma wears every Sunday. And I know you probably think, Brianna, you're over exaggerating, but let me show you what it looked like straight out the box on top of my head. Like, don't sit here and tell me you wouldn't have doubts either. So I decided, let's just make things anew, and I wanted to tweeze the hairline a bit because it was a little bit too straight for me. Here I'm taking a bottle full of water and spraying it on the hairline so the hair is tangle free and as smooth as possible. And please, you guys, do not use my technique as an example. I state this in all my videos. I am not a wigologist. Even looking at my form, I'm looking like I don't know what I'm doing, but I tried my best. I think you're even gonna see a bald spot in like 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it was bad for me, y'all. You know, looking back, I probably didn't have to tweeze the hairline, but I was being extra anyways. But after looking at the bald spot one too many times, I thought, okay, let's just mimic your own natural hairline, which is a widow's peak. And now for the installation. So for this part, I'm not going to be talking. I'm just going to show you step by step what I'll be doing to install. You know, I did have doubts in the beginning, you guys are well aware of that, but I think in the end it paid off, especially with the widow's peak hairline. I think that favors me the most. I want to say thank you so much to Luvmehair for sending me this unit, and I want to also thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.